In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Sprite Sheet Exporter to export an animation made on Arttista. As you can see, this character's animations for running, jumping, and attacking modes are present throughout the timeline. But the project was designed and animated in full HD resolution. Go to the Drawing menu and then Resize. Choose a width and height in pixels that will be the dimension of each frame. Uncheck this option so that Arttista does not force the aspect ratio to be maintained. Also, uncheck Resize All Objects to option, because you will do the resize manually. Now with the Keyframe tool enabled, you must select all objects with Shift-Control-A, and then press S to scale your entire animation to fit in the drawing area. Check throughout the animation that parts of the objects are always 100% framed within the drawing area. If not, continue scaling the entire animation to fit. You can now easily adjust the height and width of each frame of the animation whenever you want by going to the Drawing menu and then Scale. To export your animation to Sprite Sheet file, go to Animation menu, then Render, and finally, Sprite Sheet menu. Then, you can specify how many columns width you wanted to use to export your animation. These columns area the number of frames on each frame line of your sprite sheet. Arttista shows the resulting size of your final image, the sprite sheet. Now, if you wanted to, you can easily change the frame size just resizing your drawing, going to Drawing and Scaled menu. Arttista will calculate the new final image size based on each frame size and the number of columns. Now it's time to test our character within a game engine. Let's play. In the next tutorial, you will learn how this character was designed and animated. See you next week.